All done with the background? Well, okay, wash your brush, please. It's okay, Stella. Take your time. Is it green? Okay, wash your brush properly. But you still have a lot to do.
I'm
Paint the middle, okay?
Well, we were the first one going to the art school. Yeah,
You're the first one?
and the grown-ups were slow. Yeah, they're slow as a startup. They're so slow anyways. They're slower than kids. Yeah, they're slower than kids. Like, they're the slowest.
More please. Okay. Okay, continue. Oh, I said this the middle only. Diba? Finish the middle first, okay?
Done.
White spots, please. Fix your white spots.
It don't have that much green.
How come more? Fix your white spots. Everyone's four.
No, that is three.
Rain.
One is her sister.
Oh, they're sisters. I could tell they're sisters. They look alike. Are you siblings?
No.
No, just friends. And properly, please. And paint everything. That's you. Here, in the middle. Okay. When you're painting smaller parts, you can use this green
The
for this
big
one.
one.
Yeah, the big one. Just paint the middle, please. Here only. Middle only, not this, okay? This here. And the lines, okay? Done. You want to use this green? Okay. The blue? Here naman. Paint this. That. See, there's a lot of white spots here. Done? Okay. What green do you want to use? You want to use this or this or this? What's it? Four. Wash your brush first. This. Still has blue. Up and down. Can you paint this again with this color?
I'm just gonna finish the white.
You have to make sure that there are no white spots, okay? Okay, nice. How about this one, the tip? Because there, it's pink. You want to use pink.
Yeah.
There's white spots there. Do you help?
I'm
Okay,
done.
wait. Should I help you this?
I'm done.
Okay, wait po.
There's this.
Wash your brush.
I'm finished.
Here, okay?
I'm finished.
How about the other side? This one. Get more paint.
Wow.
Okay, wait, wash your brush first. Brush? Small brush. Where's your small brush? Now we're gonna put lines, okay? Let's look at everyone look here. We're gonna put lines like this going down. Okay? You can add more here. Like that, okay? Make another line.
Ooh, it's like.
Just dip, do not mix your paint. Okay, start. Okay, good. Add maybe 2 more. Make it nice and straight. Go, make it fast.
Why?
Help. Do you see something else? Get the brush. Here, fix the sides, please. Here you go. It's okay, stand down. Don't rush. Okay, that's nice. Let's go. Let's put one here. Another one. Make another one on top. Do not squeeze the tissue.
If you're buying lines.
Oh, oh. What? Don't touch it yet. Here, pa. Not yet, not yet. I didn't say it. I didn't say go. Okay.
Oh, and then
Yeah, last part.
what color do you want?
You want to use? So you only need a little lang naman. Okay, get? Wow, very good. Yan, make it clean, okay? Teacher will put paint. I'm so sorry. You need black for that. Then go over that side. Okay, this one. Trace the cactus square. Wow!
Oh, no, you're black.
Trace mo lahat.
Now share, share. Do not spread your
Spread, just leave. Teacher will get angry.
Right? Okay, go. Finish this part. Okay. Continue, Stella.
I'm done.
Wash your brush, please. I don't think so.
Done.
Alright. Last line up there so teacher can take a picture. Is that okay lang? How about take a picture?